In this video, we're going to look at how you can add Google reviews to your Squarespace website. So the first thing that you want to do is when you're on your website editor is go to your dashboard on Style. And when you're on your main dashboard, the next thing that you want to look for is where it says install reviews widget. So you just click on this widget here. You're going to see a location where you can copy this widget code. So all you have to do is copy that code, then come back to your website editor. The next thing that you want to do is find the location where you want to actually add the reviews. So for this example, I want to add my reviews right on top of my social media posts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where it says add section, and then I'm going to go to add a blank section. Once I click that and I have my blank section here, the next thing I'm going to do is add block. Once I add my block, I'm going to look to where it says code. So here, when you click on code, I click that, and then what I want to do is double click this. So you see when that popped up, just double click that to pop that open. And then the next thing that you want to do is remove this, delete this code. You want to paste that. And then you should be all good to go. So it's going to say script is disabled. I want to just go ahead and position this in the middle here. And then what I want to do is I want to save this code. Now what I want to do is I want to click on exit like this. And then I actually want to view my site and see how it looks like with the new updates made. So once I scroll down to the location, I see that now my reviews are added in here and they're all good to go. Let's say I want to edit how they look a little bit. I want them to be a bit more positioned to the center and just a format to match my site a little better. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to my editor. I'm going to go back to my review section. I'm going to position it a little bit here just so that it fills out a little bit more, and I'm going to go ahead and drag it out a little bit more as well, just so that everything gets filled out here. I'm going to go ahead and save this again. I'm going to click exit. I'm going to go back and I'm going to preview my new site, and I'm going to scroll down again to my section, and I see my reviews are positioning out a little bit more. Let's get them a little bit more centered here so that they really fill out the page. But you see how our Google reviews are now showing up on our website in just a couple seconds. So let me go back to the editor here. I'm going to expand this a little bit more just to get everything to fill out. Position this a little bit to this side here. Save that. I'm going to exit. I'm going to go back and preview my website. Scroll back down to the section. Let's get it a little bit more this way, but we're almost there, almost good to go. Let's edit this. Let's position it here a little bit. Position this out here. We'll put it right there. We'll save that. We'll exit. We'll preview this. And we should be all good to go. Now our reviews are showing. So now customers can come to my website. They can see all the different reviews here. If they want to leave me a review, they click this. They can easily leave me a review. Let's even add a title here just so that we can show our reviews to customers. So we're going to go and click on edit like this. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. I'm going to drag this section down a bit. I'm going to move my review code here. And then I'm going to add a block here. I'm going to put text. I'm just going to say in here, see what people are saying about us. Let me make this a little bit bigger here. Center that in the middle like this. Drag that here. Pushing this and this here. Let's drag that right here. Okay. Go ahead and put that there. Let's go ahead and save that and see how that looks now. And we see now with that new title, we have it appeared up here. We could expand a little bit more if we like. Let's really expand that title. Okay. So there it is. We have our Google reviews showing on our website. We have a title here. We have our review button here for customers to leave us reviews. Of course, you can edit this a little bit more and match the look and feel of your website, but that's pretty much how you can add Google reviews to your website with Squarespace. And so at Stroud, we really want to make it as easy as possible for you to add reviews, for you to manage your reviews. We also have a cool thing is we have review templates as well. So let's say you want to actually post reviews on social media. if you come to where it says export reviews, so if you come back here, you click on any of your reviews, click on export review, you actually get a review template that you can easily download this as an image and then post right onto your social media pages. So it makes it very easy. If you need to import more reviews from Google, you can do so. You can share this review with anybody, so that you can collect reviews from anybody that you like with customers. Of course, you have the widget that you can install on your website if they like to leave reviews as well. And of course, you can display all your reviews. So we really want to make it as easy as possible here at Stroud for you to collect reviews. So feel free to try us out. Make a free account, play around the platform, see if this is something that could be useful to you. But hopefully this video was helpful, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our team.